Number 2, Gemini. Gemini is a Google-powered by AI model which is similar like ChatGPT. To access Gemini you just need a Google account. And after this you can this AI model. Now Gemini also have free and paid version. If we click on the version section, there we see that Gemini has few categories of version. Now if I click on upgrade option, then it will take us different page where if we want, we can buy the premium version and can access the premium features. Now for beginning time, I suggest you to go pro option. Because first you learn how to use this AI models and after this you can focus on premium version. Now if we see the text box, there we will find few options, which are, if we click on plus button, we can insert file from out gallery. Now I take a picture from gallery and ask ChatGPT to extract image from this text. Then you can see that ChatGPT extract the text from image. So this way, you can upload file and give command to do your desire work. Now next button is deep research. When we need to have an in-depth answer for any topic then we can use this button. Then there has canvas option. This option is used for creating something, either it can be a generate coding, game or something. For example, if we click any option, you can see that it start creating something for us. So this way, if you need to create something, then you can use this canvas option. Then next button is microphone, so this button, you can use for voice command. Now if we look top left side, there has sidebar button. So with this button, we can see our history and also start a new chat. So this all about Gemini AI. You can also use Gemini as an alternative of ChatGPT.